everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add C translation on Instagram bio. So open the Instagram application at first and then get logged in. Once you have been logged in, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. You are currently at the profile page of your Instagram. Currently there's nothing in my bio section, so what I'm gonna do is add some bio. Tap on edit profile, type in few bios over here, tap that, save the changes. Now you can see the bio information on my page and it is currently in the English language. So if you open an Instagram profile which has a bio section written in English, then I will not see a C translation option. So likewise, I'm gonna search for a certain profile. So this is a profile that I have just searched for the Instagram tutorial. So as you can see here, the bio in this Insta page is in English. So there is no C translation option below. Likewise, in your own profile, the language that you have chosen for the Instagram bio is English. So there is no C translation as well. But as you see and check out the other Instagram profile, which bio is written in a different language, just like let me search for a different language of Instagram profile. So this is a Insta Spain official profile over here. You will see the option of C translation on the profile bio. Now once I tap on C translation, bio will be translated to the English language right away. This is happening because as my very own profile is to be set to be displayed in English language, and thus the profile that I have just showed you is in different language, that is the Spain. So basically what I'm trying to say over here is that the C translation option on Instagram is a automatic and you cannot change it or choose to display it or not on your Insta bio. It happens automatically once the language that you have set for the Insta is different. Like for example, if your bio section is written in English and some other user from the different part of the country or the places check out your bio, they will see a C translation option and will be able to translate your piece to their language or view it in their language. This is how the Insta bio C translation works. It is a automatic process of Instagram. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.